It's just the right amount of softness to just keep your body happy. I've tested a lot of tech on this channel, from cameras to lighting to gear that helps me create better content, but finding the right mattress, the best mattress, might actually be one of the most underrated upgrades you can make in your entire life. Because the truth is, if your sleep is off, everything else in your life starts to feel off too. Your energy is low, your focus is off, your mood feels different, and all traces back to how well you actually rest at night. So today, we're figuring out if Helix Sleep is one of the best mattresses for 2026. This is the Helix Midnight Luxe in queen size, and I've been sleeping on it for over a week now. Every single night at this point, I feel like I've been gotten a chance to understand it, what it's like with it day to day. Now, before we get into everything, full disclosure here, Helix did send me this mattress for a review on this channel, which I really appreciate, but everything I'm about to share comes from my real experience actually sleeping on this consistently and not just trying it for a few minutes and giving it my first impression. Right off the bat, I'll say this: the setup was incredibly simple. No tools, no complicated instructions, nothing overwhelming, just a box cutter, unroll it, and I was ready to go. It's one of those things that just works the way you expected it to. And after going through their sleep quiz and getting matched to this specific model, that's exactly how I ended up choosing the Midnight Luxe. Now, what really makes Helix stand out is that they don't take a one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to sleep. Instead of trying to make one mattress that works for everyone, they've built out an entire lineup designed around different types of sleepers. They offer over 20 different mattress models, all built with a hybrid design that combines foam for pressure relief with coils for structure support. And that combination is what gives you that balance between comfort and stability, which is something I personally notice right away when I lay down. This is what a mattress is supposed to feel like. Oh my God, it just feels so good. Just makes me want to stay in bed all day, all night. Now, my sleep style is honestly all over the place. I usually start on my back in the beginning of the night, and I spend most of the time on my back. But as the night goes on, I usually rotate to my side, and then once that gets uncomfortable, I switch to the other side without even thinking about it. And if it's one of those days where I don't have anything going on, I'll sleep for 12 hours straight. And I have no shame about it, really, because lions are the king of the jungle and they sleep 16 to 20 hours a day. So I'm in the right path. At some point during my longer sleep days, I'll end up on my stomach, for a little bit before I have to switch over again. Safe to say I'm an all-position sleeper. If something feels uncomfortable, I switch. Now, after sleeping on this mattress for over a week, the biggest thing I noticed is how much longer I can stay in one position without feeling the need to move. That's probably the biggest difference compared to what I was used to before. And speaking of that, compared to my previous mattress, this is a very noticeable upgrade. My old mattress always felt like it leaned too far in one direction. Either it was too soft and I felt like I was sinking in too much, or it was too firm and I couldn't fully relax into it. But this one feels balanced. It adapts to me. It adjusts to me instead of me having to adjust to it throughout the night. And honestly, the biggest difference shows up in how I feel when I wake up. I feel more rested, more refreshed. I've noticed less stiffness in my back, my shoulders, especially after long nights of sleep. And overall, I feel more consistent throughout the day, more energy, better focus. Even my mood feels a lot more stable. That's when you realize this isn't just about having a comfortable mattress. It's about upgrading your entire day, starting from the moment you wake up. Now, another thing I noticed, my wife is a hot sleeper, right? Like, she's always kicking the covers off in the middle of the night. But since switching to this mattress, she's been sleeping noticeably cooler. I don't really feel that heat coming from her side of the bed as much as I used to. That cooling layer they added on top of the mattress is definitely doing something. And when you combine that experience with everything Helix offers, like the 120-night trial where you actually have time to test it in your own space, and the lifetime warranty, which gives you long-term peace of mind, it just makes the whole decision feel a lot easier. And when you look at the data, that's where things get even more interesting. They partnered up with Whisper on a sleep study showing improvement in deep sleep and total sleep time. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm a sucker for stats like that. The study concluded that 82% of participants experienced increased deep sleep after switching to a Helix mattress, averaging more than 25 minutes of deep sleep and 39 more minutes of total sleep nightly. That's real data, and it actually lines up with how I've been feeling. And to me, that's what separates a good mattress from the best mattress. Now, compared to something like Sattva, which leans more into traditional spring mattresses, those can feel a bit firmer and not as adaptive depending on how you sleep. When you've got brands like Purple, which can get pretty expensive once you move into their higher end models, with Helix, you're getting that hybrid balance, more customization options, better cooling, and a lifetime warranty. So me personally, it just makes it a no-brainer.
The Midnight Luxe. I finally made the right choice on a mattress.
But I'm curious though, what's the biggest thing you look for in a mattress? Is it comfort, cooling, back support, or are you like me and just be switching positions all night trying to find the perfect spot? Drop it in the comments. I actually want to know how you guys sleep. So if you're trying to find the best mattress for your sleep style, I definitely recommend taking the Helix Sleep Quiz first. And if you're interested, you can check it out using the link below for a special discount. Because at the end of the day, better sleep is really one of the best upgrades you can make. Until then, sweet dreams, folks.
Like, my body is thanking me right now for upgrading the mattress.